This video is about review of gradient functions. A. If v equals 11 minus 5t plus 3t to the third power, find dv dt. dv dt equals d dt of 11 minus 5t plus 3t to the third power. That equals, according to the power rule of derivative, 11 prime equals 0, negative 5t prime equals negative 5, 3t to the third power prime equals 3 times 3t squared. Simplify 9t squared. So we get 0 minus 5 plus 9t squared. Simplify 9t squared minus 5. For B, find the dv dt when t equals 3. Then interpret the meaning of it. dv dt when t equals 3 equals 9 times 3 squared minus 5 equals 81 minus 5 equals 76. It means that the gradient of tangent line of the curve v of t at t equals 3 is 76. Let's go to question 1b. A equals 3r plus 11 over r squared. Find a prime of r. A prime of r equals 3r plus 11 over r squared prime. Make sure you need to change every single term into single power form. 3r plus 11 r to the negative second power prime. We got to use this rule, power rule of derivative, equals 3 plus 11 times negative 2 times r. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. 3 minus 22, r to the negative third power. Simplify 3 minus 22 over r to the third power. For B, evaluate a prime of r when r equals 1. Then interpret the meaning of it. A prime of 1 equals 3 minus 22 over 1 to the third power equals negative 19. It means the gradient of tangent line of A of r at r equals 1 is negative 19. Question 2. Consider the function f of x equals x to the third power minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 18. A. Find f prime of x. For f prime of x equals x to the third power minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 18 prime. We will use the power rule of derivative. X to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1's power. We also know mx prime equals m, c prime equals 0. So we have 3x squared minus 6 times 2x, 2 minus 1 is the first power, plus 5 plus 0. Simplify 3x squared minus 12x plus 5. For B, there are 2 points at which the gradient of f of x is 20. Find the x coordinates of these points. Gradient of f of x at 2 points is 20, which means f prime of x equals 20, which means 3x squared minus 12x plus 5 equals 20. Change this equation into equal to 0 form so that we can use JDC to solve. 3x squared minus 12x plus 5 minus 20 equals 0. You can leave as it is, or you can combine like terms for these two numbers. First of all, we will put the left side of the equation into y1, then graph. We are looking for zeros. Second, trace 2. Left bound, we know this is -1, -2, so -2. Right bound, let's do 0. Enter, enter. So we get -1. Second trace again, go to 0. Left bound, this is 1, 2, 3. 3. Right bound, let's do 7. Enter. X equals 5. X equals -1 and x equals 5. Go to C. Find the coordinates of the 2 points mentioned in B. Since we already figured out x coordinates of these 2 points, we just need to figure out y coordinates. F of -1 equals -1 to the 3rd power minus 6 times -1 squared plus 5 times -1 plus 18 equals. Later on, we will use a graphing calculator to figure this out. F of 5 equals 5 to the 3rd power minus 6 times 5 squared plus 5 times 5 plus 18 equals. We will put a function into y1, then quit. Then alpha trace y1, -1, enter. Alpha trace y1 of 5, 18. So coordinates will be -1, 6, 5, 18. So f of -1 equals 6, f of 5 equals 18. The coordinates of these 2 points are -1, 6 and 5, 18.